Hello you guys, so it is currently 8:48 in the morning. I'm actually leaving the dentist right now, which is such a beautiful statement. The dentist isn't even that bad. I just work it up so much in my head that like it's like this big horrible thing, but it takes like 30 minutes and they just basically just literally clean your teeth. It's like not that big of a deal, but I will always build it up to be the worst thing in the world. I did get yelled at for not wearing my retainer though, so I really need to be wearing my retainers. That's like one of my like worst habits. I just can't wear my retainer. But 2025 is for making better, healthier habits, so we're gonna start wearing a retainer. I need to though, because if my teeth go back to how they were before my braces, I will cry. So has to happen. But like I said, I'm about to leave the dentist and we're gonna go stop at Publix before we go home because I plan on making myself and my whole family plus Micah dinner tonight. So I need to get some chicken. So let's go to Publix. Thank you. The iced coffee has been acquired. It's the iced honey almond milk latte. That's good. That's really good. So today is actually Wednesday. Hi Fredbird. He's being so cute. He's just laying with me right now. He's a little bothered by the fact that I'm filming, but you'll have to deal with it. So today is a huge like editing day for me. I want to literally like get like a whole video edited. I usually split up videos, like one day I'll do all the rough cuts and then the next day or a different day I will do all of the like text and the music and all of that stuff, and I will upload it to YouTube like privately, and then the next day is when I'll do like the description and everything and then set it to upload for that same day. So it's usually like a 3-day process for when I'm editing videos, which seems like a really long time, but it's just because editing is such a long process. But today we are going to be completely editing my 24-hour reading challenge. We are going to do all of the rough cuts, we are going to do all of the text and the music and all of the little cuts and everything, and then hi, you're so cute, why are you looking at me like that? And just get it all ready to be uploaded for tomorrow, like make the thumbnail and all of that stuff too. So right now I am just exporting footage. I'm taking it from my SD card and putting it onto my computer. I have been so obsessed with Tortured Poets Department lately. I have not listened to anything else. It's as if it just came out. I'm literally like not listening to anything else like ever. Not even other Taylor albums. I've literally only been listening to the Tortured Poets Department. It's become one of my top, like probably top 3 albums. Like, I think the only ones that I would like prefer over it are Reputation and Evermore. I feel like that's like an insane top 2. What are your top 2 Taylor Swift albums? Oh, Reputation and Evermore. Complete opposite sides of the Taylor spectrum. But yeah, that's my little Taylor rant of the day. I'm about to beat chicken for the first time with this. That was more fun than I thought it was gonna be. Good, leave it. Let's do more self-discipline. On my own. Yeah.
Just a reaction video.
You guys, it is so gloomy outside today and it is so upsetting. I was so excited to like be able to lay outside. Like, yes, we are in winter, so like it's supposed to be gloomy, but in Florida it's been sunny like the past like few weeks. Why is my eye twitching? I have a little twitch going on and it's really annoying. But in Florida the past few weeks it's been super sunny, but then now it decides to be gloomy when I want to actually go outside and lay outside. So we're obviously not going to be doing that, but we're still having like a chill day at home today. It's gonna be kind of like a lazy Sunday. Oh my god, wait, I need to check. Sorry, I'm like a football girlfriend now. I need to I need to check who won the game last night. What? Are you joking? The Commanders beat the Lions? Why am I getting emotional? I'm not like a Lions fan or anything, but they were really, really good. Wow, okay. Sorry, back to the girly content. Yeah, so I had like a little breakfast this morning. I just had some eggs and strawberries. I'm really trying to like eat like better in the morning because like a lot of the time I'll just like go like until like lunch and then I'll just have a big lunch, but I'm really trying to start out with like a big breakfast. But now it is 9:16 and I actually really want to make a smoothie. It's been forever since I made a smoothie, but I'm also really trying to drink more smoothies because they're just so good for you. Like just think about the amount of like fruits and stuff that you put into a smoothie. So I'm gonna go make one. And also Fredward's been hanging out with me like all morning. When I woke up this morning, he started laying with me in bed and like he was like laying with me for like an hour. Like he's the reason why I didn't get up out of bed for like an hour after I woke up this morning. And now he's back in my bed. He's just being so sweet this morning. Okay, so I have quite a bit of laundry to fold and put away, but I figured while I'm doing that, we could kind of just like talk a little bit. So I decided to start this little series on my channel, and this is like the first episode to this little series that I'm starting. And so I'm calling it like my In My 20s diaries. And so this is the first episode, me living at home at 22. And first of all, I just want to say, I know that 22 is not like old or anything. Like I know that I'm still like practically like a baby in like the adult sense. So like me living at home is not a big deal. I'm just like kind of titling it that because, you know, there's so many people who move out at 18 or, you know, they go off to college or something like that. So that's a little backstory on this like exact video. But this little series that I'm doing is basically just like documenting kind of either like trying to get out of my comfort zone in my 20s or just like realistic like depictions of like what I'm going through personally in my 20s. And yeah, so I just wanted to give a little backstory on like this little like series that I'm starting. And I don't know how often the videos are gonna come out. I have like some ideas for it right now, so little spoiler alert if you're watching this. So first we have this one where I'm like living at home, and then the second one is going to be like learning to enjoy alone time because I've gotten so anxious doing anything alone. Like I can't even go to Publix, or like I just get anxious doing like anything by myself. That's what like that second one is gonna be. But then the third one is going to be trying new hobbies and like investing in my hobbies. And also like back to like the whole like living at home thing. I live here, like this is my home, like this is my parents' house, but I also spend like 80% of the time at Micah's house, but like his like family house. Like he still lives at home too, so like there's no like real like independence. I'm living with parents either way, whether it's mine or his. So that's like my whole like living situation. I live at home, but I spend like a lot of my time, like most of my time at Micah's house. So that's just like my whole like living situation. Does anyone else like absolutely hate putting their laundry away? Like I love folding clothes, but also like I prefer doing other people's laundry. Like please, like someone do my laundry for me and I will do all of yours for you. I just hate putting away my own laundry, but like I said, I don't mind folding it. I just don't want to hang up my clothes and then go hang them in like I don't know why, but the act of hanging up my shirts and my pants and my jackets and then putting them into my closet, I hate it. Why is my camera doing this? I look absolutely insane right now. I'm just gonna cover my face while I talk. My camera is on some weird setting. I think I accidentally clicked something, but I can't figure out how to turn it off because I don't know what it is. But do you see how strange I look right now? Or is this normal? Is this normal? So it's actually 80 degrees out right now, and I made the mistake of wearing my sweatpants outside because at first when I went out there, it was like cloudy, so it was a little like chilly. But then as I was like laying out there and the sun came out like fully for the whole time, I started sweating and it got so freaking hot outside, and I didn't even realize that it was 80 degrees. Like, what is Florida? Like, this is not winter. This is not winter. This is like summer. Like, it literally feels like summer right now. Guys, look how sad this is. Oh, wait, is it working? Why is TikTok back? Is TikTok back? I'm so confused because like earlier today and yesterday, like today's the 19th when I'm filming this. I need to move. This lighting is making me look like, what is my camera doing? I look insane. So today's the 19th when I'm filming this. TikTok was like banned like today, but like it went into effect like last night, I think. But it's like working again. Like, I'm so confused. It's working. Oh, okay, that's it. So it lets me see 2 videos and that's it. I'm so confused. Anyways, so yeah, that's sad. TikTok is like gone. It's sad. It's sad. And I don't know like what's gonna happen with it, but it's sad. Raining so freaking hard, and I can't even remember the last time that it's rained here, and I love the rain. Like, I think it's just so cozy. So now it's all like a cozy little Sunday, and what do? We're bored. We're bored. I just did the dishes. I cleaned the kitchen a little bit. Like, I know that I should like edit or like read or something, but like, why do I feel like I just want to take a nap now? I love the rain, but it literally makes me just like want to literally lay down and do absolutely nothing. What should I do? Should I do the right thing? Should I do the right thing and should I edit and read? See, because what I really want to do is I want to lay down and I want to scroll on TikTok. I want to doom scroll on TikTok, but that's not a thing anymore. Honestly, after I stopped filming yesterday, I went to Micah's house, and I don't know why, but my mental health just like took a little bit of a toll. It just started like going downhill. I like kind of was just having like a little bit of like an anxiety attack. I don't know where exactly it was coming from. It just like all of a sudden I was just so not good. I was just like really, like I couldn't breathe. I was just like really upset. Like I don't know where it came from or like the reasoning behind any of that. I don't know why, but I am feeling better today. Like, part of what made me feel so much better today is doing the self-care that you guys just saw me do. This is your sign to make sure that you're like taking time to take an everything shower and listen to your favorite music. And if you need a good pick-me-up song or a good song to make you feel better if you're going through something mentally, Get Well Soon by Ariana Grande and Breathin', both of them on the Sweetener album, always does it for me. They're just such healing songs. But yeah, so that was like my night last night and why I didn't keep filming. Also, the thing that actually helped me last night get through it, I went on my computer to, I forget the website, but I was like, it's like this thing where you have to list every single one of Taylor Swift's songs. First I did it with Taylor Swift and then I did it with Ariana Grande. You have like 30 minutes to list all of their songs. It has like the albums and then like the track numbers, and then you just have to like fill in every single track title. It's like so much fun, and it makes your brain so busy to where you're not like thinking about anything else besides, oh my god, like why am I forgetting every song that they've ever written, basically. So that like literally got me out. So yeah, now I'm doing better. It was just like a little bit of a rough night last night. So I am gonna read for a little bit. I'm gonna read A Court of Wings and Ruin. This is the 3rd book in the ACOTAR series, and I'm also gonna cook something. I'm thinking like chicken, rice, broccoli, that whole thing, and I'm just gonna take it chill, just get my mind back on track, because for whatever reason it just wasn't there last night, and that's okay. It's perfectly okay to have bad days. And also, when you're feeling bad, let yourself feel bad. Like, distract your mind if you need to, like do what I did sort of thing, but also let yourself cry. If you need to cry, let yourself cry. It's good to let those emotions out. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little first episode of my in my 20s diaries, living at home at 22, basically just a few days in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys so soon. Bye.